Welcome this video. Palette design have become a hallmark of creating centrability and functional project. The purposed wood palette into furniture and decor have surrounding in popular due to her access, versatile and SEO friendly. It countless design to choose for palette of endless possibility for homeowner, craft and business alike. Here we explored some of the most innovations and principling palette design to inspire your next project. Palette furniture for indoor coffee table, a classic and easy project. Palette coffee table are perfect for any living house or long. You can stick palette to attack or icons, height, trend theme, palette or some theme to match your interior decor. Add while to the button or stick theme to match your interior decor. Add while to the button, enhance most while and glass top can elevate the design elements. Soft and day bed palette can be transforming into style soft or day bed with maximize effect. Simple agreeing a few palette side by side step theme to the core height and add charm or max those price would well in living room, bedroom or even guest house. Saved and story unit turn palette into rustic shape unit for book, plants or even image. Most of palace varies on the wall and add smart shaped or hood to create a functionally and decoration piece. Outdoor palette creating. Outdoor palette is perfect for price depth or gardening create branch, table or long chair to exercise pallet into various shapes. Use weather resisting various to project theme for the elements palette and versatile gardening. Palette make excellent plants or versatile gardening allow you to mix space plants or theme line the inside with landscape fiber and field theme with soft and plants. The design is idea for some art space look branch depth and full for an affordable and unique outdoor space. Use palette to create depth or fall. The palette, sandy, plot and arrangement. Theme task from assault surface. This design work well for gardening parts of compartment, even space palette design for business. Display rock rank can use palette to unique display rank from product. Palette rank can be customized and filled various image and printed to match a stone branch theme can affect and a rustic charm to any shop. Thank you for watching this video.